and welcome to Curry TV. Here we are always trying to keep ourselves healthy recipes that we can all enjoy at the same time. One of them is actually a dip that I like to create. It's a multiple layer dip. I'm sure many of you already know what kind of dips it is, with the guacamole, salsa, cheese, and all that kind of stuff. I particularly cannot have any cheese, but that doesn't mean my family cannot, right? So here I'm going to show you one style of a layer dip, and you can use store-bought already prepared things to make this dip or layer dip, or you can make it at home. So let me show you what all the ingredients that we'll be using for this healthy snack. So I'm going to show you a small portion that I'm going to have it for just tonight. But if you like to make a big pan, this canvas is yours. So paint your way through. So let me show you. I'm having some guacamole. So if you haven't seen my video on that, please check it out. This is homemade guacamole. Salsa, nice spicy salsa. I have bean dip. Now for beans, you can buy store-bought such as this in a can form, or you can make it on your at your services. So say if you have black beans or brown kidney beans, you can make this at home and just, season with some salt and black pepper and then just puree it. That's this, okay? And I have some black olives, fresh ingredients such as cilantro, a few colorful things such as bell peppers. If you want to add onion to this, you can. I feel there's onion in here, so therefore I'm not adding more onion. But if you like onion, you can add that as well. Give it a little crunch in between. And also we would need some sour cream. So let me show you. I'm using a small portion because, if there's a lot more, we have the tendency to just go on and on and on and on and on, where I'm just limiting my size. So I'm just using a clear container so you guys can see. So first, what I'm going to do is take our bean dip, the puree of beans. Now let's layer it, okay? The fun thing with this is it's great to do with your kids. They can create their own cups if they like to. Say for you're having a movie night, each get their own cups. Ooh. Nice. Okay. The color may throw you off, but my friend, it tastes really good, okay? So next, what I like to add here is sour cream. Sour cream, it's like a medium for us to get the next layer going. So if you like to add more layers, you can add more sour cream in between. Okay, just give it a good smoosh all around. Okay. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to keep that to the side. Next, what we need is the guacamole. So you see my layers are coming through, right? So let's take our guacamole and lay that out. So as Cinco de Mayo is approaching, you can make your own single layer, which is 5-layer dip or 7-layer dip, or any number of layers that you want. You can add that. Like I said, there's no wrong layers, or you can't mess with this. I mean, there's nothing can go wrong in this recipe. Okay, so how much do you want? Okay, that's what we do. Just pile it all up in there. Okay, simple as that. So that, okay. And if it will be even tastier if you can chill this for like good 30 minutes or so, or you can prep it ahead of time. Next is our salsa. I know you guys already saw our different types of salsa. This is actually the authentic salsa, regular salsa, tomato salsa, but I have mango salsa on my channel. I have a variety of salsas that I have shown you. Choose any of those. Okay, beautiful. I like it. Do you like it? Yes. See that? There's layers coming through, okay? Our beans is our base. From there, you just build your construction. Whichever colorful you want it, paint it, that's good. There's nothing wrong with it. Let's garnish it with some freshness all throughout. Okay. Now you could add green, bell pepper, red, orange, yellow, whichever colors. Okay, there's choices are yours. Okay, a little bit more, and then that fresh cilantro gives a nice vibrant look to it. Okay, and if you like, my kids, not everybody like olives, but if you like to add olives to yours, that's very, very healthy for you. Okay, and that's what I have here. I have canned olives. You can choose a few and just run it here and there. So whoever wants olives, they can have it. If not, they can choose a different side. That, my friend, is our layer dip. It's a great way to have it with your tortilla chips or your corn chips. So try this recipe out. I'm just going to dig in. So next time, when all this social distancing is all over, and when we can have a good quality of time with our friends and family, this would be a definite thing to bring to your next party. So practice while you're staying home. That way you're staying healthy and positive, right? It's easy. I'm sure you have almost all of those things at home. If not, just make a shopping cart and then they'll bring it to your house. You don't have to go shopping. Otherwise, till next time, when you do go to your grocery store, pick up a few ingredients to make this dip and try it out. I hope you will like it too. No, I know you will like it. So I wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and till next time. Thank you. Have you subscribed? Thank you.